my wonderful students. Today we are going to discuss on one of the most easiest topic of science by using various activities and day-to-day life examples. So, the name of the chapter is Food, Where Does It Come From?
Friends, we get excited when our mother cooks delicious food for us like dal, roti, sambar, idli, rice, etc. You might have noticed that after having food, we feel energetic and can perform various activities. Do you know the reason behind this? Food is actually a source of energy and body-building material that we need to move on, keep ourselves warm, and to develop or sustain and improve our health. Thus, food acts like a fuel to our body, and we cannot survive for long without it.
If we talk about the first and the foremost topic, that is food. In Hindi, we say khana, that we eat in our daily life. We are eating at morning as a breakfast, in afternoon as lunch, and at night as dinner. So the definition of food, a substance which is eaten daily and which provide energy to our body, is known as food, or we call it as food. So, students, can you tell me why food is important in our life? So, food is very important for every individual, as food provide us energy. How does food provide us energy? See students, food provides us energy as when you are going to school daily, you are playing cricket, football in a playground. What do you need? Obviously, you need energy. So, for doing some particular work in our life or going on a job or daily duties, what we need? Yes, we need energy. So, the first importance of food is that it provides us energy. In our body, growth occurs. So for growth, we need different kind of nutrients, like we require carbohydrates, we require proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins. So my dear students, all these nutrients are very essential and very important for a growth into a particular adult or an adult individual. So that's why my students, food helps us to grow and develop. Food provides nutrients for the maintenance and repair of the body cells and tissues. Cells like body cells, skin cells, blood cells, nerve cells, fat cells, etc. Food also protects us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. So yes, now the next topic is variety of food. Before moving on this topic, students, I would like to put some questions, and I want that when you read the questions, you should answer all the questions in your mind or write the answers in any notebook. First question is, what will you eat today in food? Yes, so what will you eat today in food? Hope you have answered the question in your mind or you have written the answer in your notebook. So my dear students, if the same question is asked from me, that what would I eat today in my food, then my answer will be dal and rice. If it is asked to you, might eat something different, or your friend might eat different. The next question is, what did you eat yesterday? So, you have to answer that what you have eaten yesterday, and was it the same food that you eat today? If it is asked to me, my answer would be no. The thing or the food that I have eaten yesterday was completely different from the one that I will eat today. So students, obviously my answer and obviously your answer would be no. The next question, did your friend eat the same food that you used to eat? Again, if this question is asked to me, that does your friend eat the same as you will eat today or that you have eaten yesterday? So my dear students, again my and your answer would be no. Why no? Because my friend and your friend belong to different culture, and they belong from different lifestyle, and they have different kind of food habits. So that's why they have obviously eaten something different from one another. Let's take one example. See, one of my friend is Punjabi. He would like to eat rajma chawal, and one of my friend is South Indian. Obviously he would like to eat rice, or we can say sambar. Now we move on to the next topic, that is ingredients of food. I think topic is clear why I have asked you these three questions. Just to give the idea that we have variety of food available in nature, and different people in the society and in the world are eating these different kinds of food. So the word difference is self-specifies the variety. Now we move on to the next topic, that is ingredients of food. So ingredients mean the things required to make a food item. If we have to prepare dal, so the things that would be required to prepare dal would be any kind of dal or pulses you eat, water, spices. All these things make a particular complete dish. So these all things require to make a particular food item or a particular dish is known as ingredient of food. So in the same way, if we say how to make fried rice, so what are the different ingredients which we require to make fried rice? So these will be water, soya sauce, rice grains, salt, capsicum, onion, etc. So these all together ingredients make a particular food item complete. So hence we are calling it as an ingredient of food. That's all for today. We will continue. Thank you, students.